Hello everyone, welcome back to the showroom here at Glidden Yamaha. My name is James. Now, we've got so much news we need to cover that I'm going to do a whole video on it for you. Now, we're going to be breaking down new updated pricing information from Yamaha, along with some showroom offers that we've got on, and also our workshop deals as well. So if there's anything you want to particularly jump to, then here are the timestamps now. Now, first up, we've got a big pricing adjustment from Yamaha. Now, this affects a range of CP2 and CP3 bikes, and these are price adjustments. These aren't a promotional price. These are now the new prices for these models. So, the MT-07 YAMT and MT-09 SP, they both get a £200 reduction. MT-07, MT-09, MT-09 YAMT, Tracer 9, and Tenere 700, both the standard, low and rally, all now have a £300 reduction. And then the Tracer 9 GT, Tracer 9 GT YAMT, and Tracer 9 GT Plus all see a £400 reduction. Now, additionally, these models all qualify for a 5.9% APR finance with Yamaha Finance through Santander. Now, that is from now until the end of March 2026. This covers both hire purchase and PCP, but in order to qualify, you do need a minimum 20% deposit. For the rest of the range, including these models, with a minimum zero deposit up front, the standard APR has now reduced from 9.4% to 8.9%. Now on to Yamaha scooters. So the Yamaha NMAX, XMAX 125 and XMAX 300 both come in a standard and a Tech Max option. These include things such as premium seat, upgraded TFT dashboard with smartphone connectivity, and in the case of the X Max models, you get heated grips, heated seat, and an electronically adjustable screen. Now, there's currently a promotion running until the end of this month with Yamaha that allows you up to £600 accessory voucher towards those bikes. So if you're buying an NMAX Tech Max, that's £400, the XMAX 125 Tech Max is £500, and the XMAX 300 Tech Max Plus is £600. Now, we have every model here in stock and available to order right now. We know that it's November, but now might be the perfect time to purchase your new Yamaha. Every bike behind me, and even more on the other side of the camera, is currently on offer in one way or another. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I will leave a link down in the description which will take you to all of our stock offering. If you like the look of those premium scooters that I mentioned before, but you don't want the accessories, then we have a pre-registered offer available for you. Now, you can get a pre-registered NMAX Tech Max for $3,299 on the road. That's a saving of £602 off the RRP price. The XMAX 125 Tech Max Plus, we've got one available at $5,299 on the road. That's a massive saving of £900. And the XMAX 300 Tech Max Plus, we're doing for $6,499 on the road. And that's a saving of just over £850. Stock on these models is super limited, so if you are interested in one of these, then please do get in touch. If you're looking for something even more luxurious, then how about a T-Max Tech Max? Now, we've got just one in stock, and we're offering that with a saving of £1,000 off RRP. Or maybe you want to look at the other end of the scale. If so, we've got a few Yamaha Ray ZR 125s. Now, these are just £2,501 on the road, brand new. We are offering them at $2,299, so an even greater discount off an already well-priced scooter. We've got free sports packs on this MT-07 and these MT-09s, worth both £500 and £550 respectively. And check out this brand new MT-10 SP. The MT-10 range is now discontinued, and this SP will be the last one that we will be able to sell brand new. A Kropovich exhaust, carbon heat shield, and tail tidy, all for $16,999 on the road, saving almost £900. Remember, if you are watching this and you want one of these bikes, but you're not local to us, don't worry, because we do deliver nationwide. If you are local and you do need your Yamaha servicing soon, then now might be the perfect time to get it booked in with us. We do have a few winter service offers available for you. If you are within 15 miles, then we do a free collection and delivery service within that 15-mile limit. After that, it's just a £1 per mile charge thereafter. And every service done here will get a complimentary wash and a treatment with Yamalube Protect and Spray. And now we come to the final bit of news, and one that I'm really excited for, which is an update on pricing and availability for the new 2026 models. Now, Yamaha released, you may have seen over the last few weeks, a brand new WR125R for the road, an NMAX 155 Tech Max, along with updated Tenere World Raid and updated R7. So the WR125R arrives with rugged style, agile handling, and fun by the bucket load, all at an extremely competitive price of £4,500 on the road. This is the lowest priced geared 125cc that Yamaha offer, and we're still hoping to see this bike before the end of this year. The Tenere World Raid comes with a bunch of exciting updates for 2026, including new updated suspension, inertial measurement unit, rider modes, and cruise control as standard. Now this bike, while we were expecting to be between £12,500 and £13,000, is actually coming in at the exact same price as the outgoing World Raid at just £11,920 on the road. Now the R7 returns with a new look and a whole new suite of electronic aids, moving right to the front of the Supersport pack. This is going to have a price of £9,500 and £9,700 for that 70th anniversary paint scheme. And finally, the NMAX 155 Tech Max joins the sport scooter lineup, offering all the values you've come to expect from the standard NMAX, but with innovative transmission technology, allowing you to downshift on the bike, more power and speed, coming in at £4,150. And that's it. I hope that we covered everything today in this video, but if you have any questions or if I did miss anything, then please do pop a comment in down below. As I said, we are based down in Devon. However, we deliver these bikes nationwide, so if there was something that you did see, then please do reach out and get in touch with us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the showroom or in the next video.